A fortune worthy of my throne.
Strong vein. The ore is rich.
Yes, my king. Enough for many coins.
Hold it steady.
Ready, strike.
Good vein here. Collect it. Empty dish coming in.
Fish hook and twine for the pouch. Fair.
Too little. Need more grain.
Take it or go elsewhere.
Fine.
Look at that vein. Copper. In there. Gold.
Shining like the sun.
We'll have tools for generations.
Keep working. Gather every piece.
Striker there. Good, again.
Ooh, heavy load.
Nearly through. Keep it steady.
Good vein here. See how it catches the light?
Aye, that's a keeper. Set it with the others.
This one too. Gold running all through.
Careful, don't lose the dust. It all adds up.
Good vein here. See how it catches the light?
Aye, that's a keeper. Set it with the others.
This one too. Gold running all through.
Careful, don't lose the dust. It all adds up.
Watch the loose rock ahead.
I see it. Hole's holding fine.
Furnace smoke's thicker today.
Means the melt's ready. Let's keep pace.
A few more turns and we're there.
Pack it in tight. Any gap will bleed heat.
Got it. Clay's holding here.
Good. Fire won't be long.
Hear that drat? She's breathing already.
Steady now.
Level's rising, hold it. Good, shift to the second.
And up. Back to the fire. Bright as the sun underneath.
Ready? Got it. Feels heavy.
Tilt. Now. Or keep it smooth.
Watch the lift. Right. Hold it there.
Third mold now.
Good pull.
Looks solid.
Easy, slide it in. Steady, let it catch the heat.
You'll be ready for the hammer soon.
Hold it firm. Aye.
Ready. Strike.
Holding firm.
Turn it.
Turn.
Another.
Set.
Good. Again.
Still heavy? Here. Take one of the smalls. Right. There. Balanced. Too heavy. Back in the melt.
Aye.
This one's true. Keep it with the rest.
Nick on the rim here. I'll scrap it.
Good call.
Slide it on the left.
Got it. Hold steady.
Good. Another one. Keep the spacing even.
Ready? Heat's climbing fast.
Perfect. They'll stamp clean.
That's the line.
Perfect.
Aye.
Easy. Steady now. Head to the left. There, aligned. Hold it, let it settle.
All right. Strike on my word.
A single coin in the right hand can turn men into an army. The same coin set on a trader's belt fuels caravans bound for horizons unseen. Payment becomes movement.
Bronze struck and counted, one coin at a time. In this courtyard, pay becomes promise. Promises of loyalty, of miles yet to travel, of battle.
A worthy tribute.
In the heart of the royal hall, freshly struck gold leaves the mint for the first time. Every coin is examined by the king himself, its weight, its mark, its promise. With measured hands, he releases
Freshly struck bronze passed from calloused hand to calloused hand. Each coin carried the weight of a day's labor, the promise of food for family. In the narrow lanes of the market.
Keep turning it slowly. Let the fat do the work.
Smells like it's ready.
A moment longer, you'll see.
Pass me that plate, child.
Almost there.
The hills aren't far. Stone breaks easily if you strike along the grain.
1, 2, 3 seams I counted last time we went. Enough to pry the metal free.
And the shards? We'll melt them down, press them flat, coins will come.
If we work